know when you live.
I'm live.
All right. What we're doing is getting the banana trees ready for the winter. Taking them in. So you got to pull them out the pot, like so. Shake the excess dirt off. And then you come over here, man. And what we're gonna do is take them. We're gonna cut them right down, right below where this starts. And then put this in and some old trash bags and put it in the freezer. You can probably cut it with this right here if you want to. At least that little one, I know you can. Do it like that. We're probably right here.
Yep.
And then boom. And then put this in the bag. Put it in the freezer. I mean, not in the freezer. How you gonna put it in a cold, dark place, such as an attic, a garage, or cool, dark, not cold, cool, dark place. You don't want it cold. You want a cool, dark place like an attic. Or a
storage room
or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Where you at? Why you way over there?
Cause it's cutting off your head when I'm so close. And that's
out.
record.
It's okay, I can hit it, come back. Come on, you ain't gotta get my body. I'm not the show. As good as I look, I want them to see this.
Yes, sir. We should have got yours out your pot.
Yeah. All right. We'll have these for next summer. You want to take these to the front?